Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of our tips and tricks series for buying the perfect monitor. Today, we are diving into budget gaming monitors versus the premium gaming monitors. While choosing a gaming monitor, two essential factors that need to be considered are the response time and the refresh rate. Faster response time ensures smoother visuals, while higher refresh rate will give you a competitive edge in FPS gaming. First, let's talk about budget gaming monitors perfect for casual gamers. Number 1, we have Acer Nitro VG240Y M3. Number 2, we have MSI MAG 274 QRFW. Number 3, we have BenQ MOBIUZ EX2710S. Now for premium gaming monitors, if you are into pro gaming scenes. Number 1, BenQ Zowie XL2586X. Number 2, Samsung LS27DG 600S. Number 3, LG Ultragear 27GS95QE.